मुझे पता है ऑडियंस से सवाल जवाब के टाइम पे बहुत बोर हो जाती है. So 1 is my favorite number. That's why I've got 10 questions for both of them. Simultaneously, sir, मैं आप दोनों से 10 questions पूछूंगी, all related to this app. And audience, are you ready? मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही. All right. चलिए, हम शुरुआत करते हैं आपसे या आपसे? आगे करते हैं. ओके सर, मेरा पहला सवाल है, मैं बहुत मेहनत करके लिख कर लाई हूँ. How did Star Phillips come into existence? And let's begin with the story. How did you have the idea to originate it? How you got it into the development?
I think this question would be more appropriate if it is asked to
He's
others,
the
right?
founder, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
I think you're confused.
Huh?
I think you're confused.
So I'll tell you, this is Mr. Haris Khan, who
नहीं,
is the
मैं आप
founder.
लोगों का टेस्ट ले रही हूँ
अच्छा.
एक्चुअली कि ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर कौन लेगा. अब जीके नॉलेज तो मेरी इतनी खराब है, आपकी तेज है, तो ये क्वेश्चन इसीलिए ट्रिक करा हुआ. स्टार्ट करते हैं सर आपके साथ.
Star Felix, actually, this idea came in my mind. Can you? Yeah. This idea came in my mind like एक साल पहले. That I discussed with Samira, who is the co-founder here. So we discussed this Star Felix, where what we can come in the social media platform. Then we thought social media तो already है. There are many platforms for social media. Then something different we have to come up for our creators and influencers and like for everyone who is a storyteller here in the market. So what we planned is like coming up working out OTT platform for them. So there those ideas came up in the mind. Then I met my core team when after discussing with Samira and and when I started my own podcast. So there we came up with the idea with vertical format somewhere we can come up something in like all the categories over here. So then I met Mr. Mateen regarding podcast where we like हम लोग ने सोचा कि क्या कर सकते हैं आगे. Then we discussed about this like that. Then I made quote in Mr. Satya where we already worked in previous project. हम लोग ने थोड़े 3-4 project साथ में किए थे IT के. There I just sat with him, we discussed about it. Then वहाँ पे हम लोग ने connect हुए सत्या से where he came into the picture for CTO. And all of a sudden, it came in my mind. I know Mr. Adil from very long time, and I do follow him on Instagram as well. He's a good content creator, and like if you say something in vertical which he has been started 2016 May. Then that came into my idea in my mind. Then I just connected with him, and actually I connected with him to make some content for us. Then we met. ऐसे ही शाम में एक बार हम लोग मिले. मैं आदिल एंड मतीन राइट वी वर 3 of them when we met. तो हम लोग को आइडिया मिला वहाँ से कि लाइक इफ his talent and all his content work and his talent what he has. So from there I met Adil and we started this project from there. So that is what it came into exist. Star Felix. Yeah.
On various other platforms. So if you are a part of Star Phillips, we just have an exclusivity of 3 months, and later you can definitely diversify it to other platforms.
Great. My next question is for you. What kind
She gets so excited when she asks the question, and she does not smile when she's asking me.
Why? Because I feel that
I have next question for you, and then we do this.
Because he might give me work now.
I understand the payment is pending.
Just kidding. It's nothing like that. It's nothing. I'm friendlier to both of you. Okay. My very important question is, what kind of content the users will get to see, the viewers? What kind of content we can expect?
Are you talking about the audience, like people who are gonna consume the platform? What kind of content they would see? Sir, what kind of content will we see?
See, it's not like we have particularly content for that. Yeah, definitely we have some of the fiction, dramas in that, talk shows, podcasts, then many what all the creators can be done. So we have not restricted with any like I say content which is cannot be done. So everything there's a one stop they can see over there. And especially you can ask this question to Mr. Adil as well because he is a content director.
मुझे नहीं
So
पूछो।
where we expect more content from him.
मैं आपसे एक
Yeah,
बहुत
definitely.
important सवाल पूछूंगी आपके लिए तो और बड़ा क्वेश्चन because Starflix feels like it's a vertical OTT platform. It has a lot of micro dramas. What is it? And ये जो term आजकल आ गया है, what is a micro drama? Can you brief it?
First of all, thank you everyone for showing up for this event. It means a lot to us, considering it's been raining cats and dogs all day. So we're equally thrilled to have you guys here. And the purpose of doing this session was to enlighten you about the whole process of Starflix. And it is very important that as in detail we can share what exactly the platform stands for, what we would be integrating in it, and how you can be a part of it. You've asked me what microdrama is. So microdrama is a very short form of storytelling. It can also be termed as vertical web series. And the major difference between a web series and a vertical web series is the aspect ratio. Phone को सिर्फ घुमाना है आपको. And over a period of time, we have been consuming a lot of content vertically. But I also want to highlight the fact that this micro drama is not an alternate to the big cinema. That is irreplaceable. But we also cannot deny the fact that the retention time हमारे micro drama में बहुत छोटा होता है. And that is the reason it has cultivated its own set of audiences, its own set of makers. And us at Starflix, we want to explore that space and we want to explore that community. That is my program.
Okay, it is very interesting actually. I've been hearing this term so many times in a day now. अब मेरा बेसिक सा सवाल है, बहुत ही क्रूशल है because I belong to artist industry. Is Starflix a production?
And the makers. So we're acting as a OTT platform, not as a production house.
I hope जल्दी हो जाए वो भी.
बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा.
है ना? हाँ. Then only I will be signing with you. तो next question बहुत obvious है और मुझे भी जानने की जिज्ञासा है ये बात. हारिस सर आपसे नेक्स्ट सवाल है that how was this team formed? How it got into formation?
That is what I mentioned starting. See, this team was formed, I'll tell you again. जहाँ पे मैंने when I started my podcast, so I wanted a team to start that. Then I met Mr. Matin, who is a co-founder as well. There we met, we discussed about this OTT platform because he is already from the production house, he has worked there and many experiences in entertainment field. So we just like हम लोग ने बहुत सोचा उसके बारे में. Then I met Mr. Satya, as I told you that many projects we have done together. So हम लोग ने वहाँ पे मिले थे. Then again I tell you again आदिल
मुझे content बनाने बुलाया था.
Content बुलाने
और हमने बातें करी and we shared a mutual passion for vertical
Yes.
web series. So,
अभी नेक्स्ट सवाल आपके लिए है that it's a very crucial question as well. That you have told me that it's not a production house but it's yet a platform. So can anyone upload the content here?
can you come again?
Can anybody from all of us can upload the content on this app?
So this platform is a OTT platform and not a social media platform.
Okay.
So any person cannot create their ID on the platform and start uploading. They would have to submit their work to the internal team. It would be moderated by us and then be taken live. However, anyone creating content for the platform will be provided a dashboard that will have complete transparency about the content that is performing or the revenue that they're generating. And I also like to clarify, good question. This platform is not only for content creators or social media stars. Anyone who have a camera to shoot, a story to tell,
Story to tell.
anyone who have the ability to edit aspiring filmmakers, production houses, directors, individual artists, not just creators, but all are welcome here.
Everybody.
Absolutely.
Everybody.
Yeah.
But when we create great chief technology officer, the man behind the tech, he has built this StarFelix app and ensures the platform runs smoothly and reliably. Once again, a very big round of applause for him. And now comes the time to call the second team member, Mr. Martin.
We feeling the weight of our exodus. We hear the weight that I'm left alone. Don't have the time in the diaries. No help for the
Hi sir, good evening.
letting your boy mind.
He is the Chief Operation Officer with strong roots in the production and entertainment industry. He keeps the operation tight and aligned with the bigger vision. Congratulations sir, कैसा लग रहा है आज आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है स्टाफ फेलिक्स के लिए बहुत मेहनत की है सो लेट दिस इनॉग्रल begin and let's make this Star Felix a big revolution for creators.
Very nice. So you can have your seat. And now it's time to call the third person. She's a woman. Her name is Mrs. Samira Sheikh. A big round of applause for ma'am. And she's the head of PR and admin. She handles both structure and communication, making sure things function internally while the brand speaks clearly outside as well. एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए इनके लिए. Ma'am, please have your seat. So we have the beautiful 3 core team members, and now it's time to put up some really interesting questions. Starting with Satya Prakash sir.
Good evening everyone. First of all, I would like to thank my dear friend Harish for giving me this opportunity to work with Star Felix and be the operation manager behind the Star Felix. We are here for creators and we are here for creators to come into vertical interface and create videos in vertical interface. This is what we are expecting for creators to revolutionize Star Felix.
अब आखिरी सवाल मैम आपसे है कि what do you have to say about everything that has been done so far और कैसा है ये vision? What is the vision all about? और आपको आज feel कैसा होता है?
I'm very happy because today it's like a dream come true for many of us over here. हर किसी ने बहुत मेहनत की है एंड जब ये आइडिया स्टार फेलिक्स का आया तब हमें ऑलमोस्ट 1 साल लगा टू फिगर आउट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली विल वी से अबाउट स्टार फेलिक्स, हाउ टू मेक इट यूनिक. Once the core team came into picture, that's when we got our vision, that is to provide quality entertainment to all our public, to all our viewers, by providing them original and real stories, and at the same time to be a platform for the talent which is present globally across the world to showcase their content, their creativity without any biases. So it's a very happening day for us. Thank you.
Can we have a great round of applause for 3 of these multi-talented, very hard-working members? मेरी core team से दरख्वास्त है कि अभी आप ऑडियंस के साथ बाकी का सेशन एंजॉय करें. थैंक यू हमें स्टेज पे ज्वाइन करने के लिए और अभी जल्दी मैं आपको दोबारा से बुलाऊंगी थोड़ी देर में. तो ये थी हमारे टीम बट अभी 2 खास मेंबर
है. वो ऐप लॉन्च हो रहा है. हमने एक नया टर्म भी सुना है, माइक्रो ड्रामा. आप सभी सबसे पहले अपना एक इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए, उसके बाद हम सवाल पूछते हैं.
प्लीज गो अहेड. आई एम द फाउंडर एंड चेयरमैन. जो हम लोग ने अभी ये आइडिया लॉन्च किया है OTT प्लेटफॉर्म स्टार फेलिक्स बोल के, तो हमने अभी 20th of June को हम लोग लॉन्च कर रहे हैं स्पेशली.
And he is Mr. Haris Khan.
Yeah, I told him.
I'm Mr. Adil Khan and I am the director of content.
Tell us about conceive कैसे हुआ ये concept और कैसे आप इसको
समवेयर हम लोग को दिख रहा था देयर इज़ अ गैप बिटवीन सोशल मीडिया एंड OTT प्लेटफॉर्म द क्रिएटर्स. एवरीवेयर क्रिएटर्स हो या स्टोरी टेलर्स हो, इन्फ्लुएंसर हो, उनके लिए हम लोग कुछ अलग लाना चाहते थे। तो जहाँ से ये आइडिया स्टार्ट हुआ है, तो हम लोग होप कर रहे हैं कि इंडस्ट्री में अच्छा करें। तो लेट्स सी कैसे वर्कआउट होता है।
माइक्रो ड्रामा क्या है?
माइक्रो ड्रामा एक तरह का स्टोरी टेलिंग है दैट इज़ वेरी शॉर्ट फॉर्म्ड, और ये एक तरह का वर्टिकल वेब सीरीज़ भी कहा जा सकता है। द मेजर डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ वेब सीरीज़ एंड अ वर्टिकल वेब सीरीज़ इज़ द एस्पेक्ट रेशियो। आपको बस फ़ोन घुमाना है, एंड ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वी हैव बीन कंज्यूमिंग अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट वर्टिकली एज वेल। दिस इज़ नॉट एन ऑल्टरनेट टू द बिग सिनेमा, बट येस दिस इज़ माइक्रो ड्रामा।
वर्टिकल फॉर्मेट में से आपने कहा, दैट्स अबाउट ये क्या प्रॉपर ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म है, और ये माइक्रो ड्रामा कितने मिनट या कैसा होगा ये?
Micro drama is definitely an OTT platform. It is not a social media platform. And यहाँ पर you would get to see all kind of entertainment, infotainment, fictional genres, categories, languages, and it's gonna be a whole bunch of entertainment.
There is a lot of other OTT platforms also that may, I mean, doing this. तो आपका कितना अलग है और कितना यूनिक आप समझते ये है?
We're working much harder than everyone. That I think I should put out. एंड हमारे कॉम्पिटिटर्स की अगर बात करें तो हमारी दुकान का आज पहला दिन है, तो इसमें आज हम क्या ही बोल पाएंगे, हम अभी आए हैं। बट आई होप वी स्टे हियर। हमारा मार्केट बहुत बड़ा है, हमारी इंडस्ट्री बहुत बड़ी है, यहाँ सबके लिए जगह है। द डिमांड इज़ वेरी हाई एंड विल मेक श्योर दैट द सप्लाई इज ऑल्सो देयर।
डेफिनेटली नया क्रिएटर है जो इससे माइक्रो ड्रामा बना रहा है, वो आपको अप्रोच करेगा या कैसे, उस बारे में बेसिक
सर बताएं।
ये भी क्रिएटर ही है, सो डेफिनेटली क्रिएटर्स विल अप्रोच
through email IDs, through websites.
Yes,
and we would be putting our circulars and information out there. So anyone who wants to submit their work on our platform, they can contact us.
So what is the target audience? किसको आप सोच के target कर रहे हैं?
Everyone who loves to watch content, have been consuming social media, cinema lovers, movie goers, everyone.
आखिर में क्या चाहिए आप सभी लोगों से, क्या 5 ईयर प्लान सबका होता है, 2 ईयर प्लान होता है, ऐसा आपका क्या सोचना है, किस तरह से ग्रो करने वाले?
एज ऑफ नो हम लोग ने प्लान बनाया है 5 साल तक का, तो अभी बता नहीं सकता, लेकिन 2 साल में हम लोग विल बी वन ऑफ दी, बोलेंगे वर्टिकल ड्रामा में तो एक यूनिक ब्रांड मिलेगा आपको डेफिनेटली देखने के लिए, एंड कंटेंट अच्छा मिलेगा। तो एंड डेफिनेटली विल बी हैविंग मोर देन 1000 कंटेंट्स इन कमिंग अ ईयर। तो डेफिनेटली वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट।
वेबसाइट और ऐप भी होते कई बार?
नहीं, सिर्फ OTT ऐप रहेगा जो अवेलेबल रहेगा प्ले स्टोर और ऐप स्टोर में, दोनों में।
मॉनिटरी क्या कुछ है, क्या पैसे लगेंगे, क्या है, उस बारे में अगर थोड़ा बहुत बता सकते?
सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल तो है इसमें, देयर इज़ मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल। 1 महीना तो अभी फ्री है, जब स्टार्ट होगा 20 जून को लाइव जाएगा, तो उसके बाद एक मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ 39 रुपीज़ देर इज़ अ पर मंथ चार्जेस विल बी द सब्सक्रिप्शन विल बी देयर, तो उसी में। लेकिन अभी तो उतना ही है, देन एवरीवन कैन अफोर्ड एंड वी कैन सी द कंटेंट।
Content creators will generate revenue on our platform through 4 different ways. There is definitely exposure, there is marketing, and you can be a part of our monetization program irrespective of your followers.
Yes.
You will be purely rewarded on the efforts that you put in, on the content that you produce, and we don't have any unbiasedness or algorithm feature here. Everything is moderated by us. Consumer will have to pay a 39 rupees fee for consuming the content. Creators does not have to pay anything.
कंटेंट बहुत बार पायरेटेड होता है, इसका क्या क्या होता है सॉल्यूशन? कंटेंट बहुत प्राइवेट होता है, पायरेसी होती है।
We have some laws and legalities to look after. Once it's done, we'll definitely share the circular out there, and we have a very prominent tech team as well, so we'll look after it.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being.
वो शॉर्ट में पहले तो सभी अपना इंट्रो दीजिए, उसके बाद एक सवाल